Welcome back. To manage the XDM server, Mentor Graphics provide the IT professional with a set of utilities. These system utilities are a collection of command line utilities which provide all the tools required to manage an XDM server, including utilities for configuration, deployment, server and data management, security, and diagnostics. After installing the XDM server and the System Utilities Toolbox, you can open a console and navigate to the SUT directory to view the available utilities. Configuration utilities. These utilities are used to configure the XDM server before deployment or to change configuration of an active XDM server. I'll show you how to use an input XML file to define the configuration. Diagnostic utilities. These utilities are used to monitor and diagnose issues with your XDM server. For example, Diag pre-deploy test runs tests before you even deploy the XDM server, while Diag server status monitors and tests the status of the active XDM server. Deployment utilities are used to change the deploy status of the server, deploy, undeploy, restart, etc. Last are the management utilities. These utilities help you backup and restore your XDM server and change the password of the server user. The overall utilities flow and lifecycle of the XDM server is presented on the following slide. Once you've finished installing the XDM server, together with the utilities and the products, you are ready to use diagnostic utilities to check the readiness of the host. You can use the configuration utilities to modify default settings, or you can immediately use the server deploy utility to start with the actual deployment of the XDM server. The management utilities enable you to run, backup, and restore, as well as other functions. Now that you have the XDM server deployed, you can use the diagnostic utilities to check the status of the server, troubleshoot problems, and be informed how to fix potential problems. We will be covering each of these utilities in the following videos. Please pay attention to the very useful tip that I would like to share with you. Each and every utility has a built-in help. To view the help, you just run the utility with the -help argument, just like this. And you will get a full description of the utility as well as a list of all the supported arguments. Remember that and use it. To summarize, the System Utilities Toolbox is full with valuable utilities for the IT professional to use. We divided the utilities into 4 categories to make it easier on you to configure the XDM server, to deploy it, to manage it, and to monitor it by using the diagnostic utilities.